आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः आत्मैव ह्यात्मनः कृतस्याप्यकृतस्य च आत्मैव ह्यात्मनो बन्धो आत्मैव riburatmanah. Ini kita mengutipkan dari Mahabharata. We will talk about first a very good verse from Mahabharata. Okay, just wait for sometimes waiting for more friends to come to join us. Atmaiva Yatmana Bandho Atmaiva Ripuratmana Atmaiva Yatmana Sakshi Kritasyapya Kritasya Cha Atmaiva Yatmana Bandho Atmaiva Ripuratmana Atmaiva Yatmana Sakshi Kritasyapya Kritasya Cha. Ini yang akan kita diskusikan. This we will discuss about this. Yeah? You can sing this. Later I can share it. Atmaiva Yatmana Bandho Atmaiva Ripuratmana Atmaiva Yatmana Sakshi Kritasyapya Kritasya Cha Atmaiva. Okay, sedikit lagi, kita tunggu beberapa lagi. We wait for some more friends to come. Atmaiva Ripuratmana Atmaiva Yatmana Sakshi Kritasyapya Kritasya Cha. Okay. Yeah. Atmaiva Hyatmana Bandhu Atmaiva Ripuratmana Atmaiva Hyatmana Sakshi Kritasyapya Kritasya Cha. This is a very beautiful verse from Mahabharata, and also half of this you can find in Bhagavad Gita. This one, which one I am going to quote this? This is from Mahabharata. Beautiful verse. As you know, Mahabharata is a big, might be the largest ancient holy book in the world. It consists 100. It's called 100,000 verses. Atmaiva Yatmana Buddhi Kritasya Kritasya Cha Atmaiva Hyatmana Bandhu Atmaiva Hyatmana Bandhu means Bandhu means friend. Bandhu means friend. Atmaiva He Atmana Bandhu. You are indeed a friend of yourself. Okay? You are indeed a friend of yourself. And Atmaiva Tripuratmana. You are the enemy of yourself, indeed. So you are a friend of yourself. You are the enemy for yourself. And here Bandhu means friend. Ripu means enemy. Let me show this first. Switzerland. I like this t-shirt. Switzerland. Ripuratmana Atmaiva Hyatmana Bandhu. You are indeed a friend of yourself. And also Atmaiva Ripuratmana. You are the enemy. Indeed, the enemy of yourself. These two lines is very good, very interesting, very significant to discuss with yourself, you with yourself. We don't talk in a wide way. It's you and with you. It's me with myself, you with yourself, right? This kind of good teaching is for us, not for others, for us. So when you recite this kind of good verses, never think that you are giving something to others. It's only for yourself. Only for yourself. Never think that you are teaching people. Who are you? Like me. Who am I? I'm not a teacher. I'm a teacher at least for myself. So, Atmaiva Hyatmana Bandhu. Indeed, we are a friend of ourselves. The word of indeed in here, it's a very important. It's underlining that you can use your life to become your friend, your own friend. You are running here crying for a friend, yeah? When your friend leaves you, you are hurt, broken heart. But it is a human nature, human being, human weakness. But when you come to this teaching, Atmaiva Hyatmana Bandhu, indeed, you are the friend of yourself. So your concentration is to yourself. You don't need others. When you go to this person, you don't need others. You need only yourself. And this is a very good way to live in this world. You need nobody. You need nothing. You need only God. Or in this verse, you need only yourself. You need only yourself. Be a friend of yourself. How to become a friend of yourself? This is the matter now. This is the matter now. How to become a friend for yourself. And what kind of friend? Friend will do everything good to make your friend happy. Not happy to bring your friend go down, fall down, but make your friend happy to uplift their life. Uplifting their life, you have to become good, to become better and better, better and better every day. Every time you are with your friend will become better and better. You make happy your friend in this way, to make them happy but not to fall down, happy to up, to make a good progress in their life. So this is a friend. And a friend expecting nothing from a friend, not for any benefit. A friend only to do good, that is full stop. To do good for his friend, for her friend, full stop. That's all. This is a real friend. Now, if you want to become a real friend of yourself, this is the way. Be a friend of yourself. Do everything good for yourself. Expect nothing. Just to do good for yourself. And so many things you can do for your friend inside, for yourself. So many things you can do good. And so many things you need to correct it of your daily life, daily habit. Editing it. Be an editor of yourself. Yes? Be an editor of yourself. Edit. And it's a dangerous. You have that kind of happiness, enjoying your life, you are going down to downfall. You are following the step down, not step to make you a progress. So now you edit this. In which part of your daily life, in which parts of your habit will bring you down, in which parts of life will bring you up. So many habits will bring you down, but you feel happy with this. Yes? But it will bring you down. This all you need to edit it. Be an editor for this. And whatever habit, daily practice, daily life, in your daily life, whatever happiness will bring you up, to give you a good progress, to make you a better human being. You edit also this, but editing is not deleting, but to add more, to make it more beautiful, decorating your good habit, which will bring you into a good progress in your life. If you do this, you are a good friend of yourself. Atmayo hi atmana bandhu, you are really, indeed, you are a friend of yourself if you do this. Okay? And now, atmayo ripura atmana, indeed, you are an enemy for yourself. Now you can see in your daily, whatever making you happy, you enjoy, but will bring you down. You follow that. Knowingly, unknowingly, you follow that, which will bring you down. Yes? You are an enemy for yourself. But you enjoy, you become happy, but you go down. So that kind of enemy for yourself, you need to slowly delete it, minimize. If you cannot delete it immediately, minimize it till it's flat. You have no more that kind of bad habit, which make you happy but bring you downfall into your life. So do not become a good enemy for yourself. Yes? Beautiful enemy for yourself. happy enemy for yourself. Be careful with this kind of enemy. Yes? So if you give attention to this, you will make a good life. You will change your look even. You will change your way of thinking. You will change the way of your understanding of others, understanding of yourself, understanding of your life. This is a big job, yeah? It is a big job to change yourself, to change ourselves. It's a big job. Don't wait. You have no time. Time is very limited to live in this world. We live in this world with so many good, bad, like this. You don't understand that immediately, suddenly, just in 1 second, you see yourself already old. You have no time to edit yourself. And too late, yeah? Don't wait till too late. Till your eye cannot see, your ear cannot hear, your brain cannot working. Don't wait till that kind of situation. Now, when you are good with all parts of your body, yeah? Your brain working good, your eyes working good, all your senses working good, do it now. Be a friend of yourself now, not later. Okay? So this is the message. And Atmana here, Atmana Sakshi, you are the witness of yourself. Of yourself, of what? Of what? Of Kritasya apya kritasya cha. Krita akrita means good karma and not good karma. I try to not to say bad karma, yeah, because in my understanding, no bad karma, only not good karma. So, good karma, not good karma. You are the sakshi, you are the witness of this. So, after you see in a proper way good karma and not good karma, then be an editor for yourself. Yes? So this is the message of this Atmaiva. Hyatmana bandhu Atmaiva Ripuratmana Atmaiva Hyatmana Sakshi. Atmana Sakshi. You are the witness of yourself, of what you do, everything you do, all karmas you do, yeah? You are a witness. But we have a nature, a weakness, human weakness, that we want to become a sakshi, a witness of others' karmas. We want to become a witness for others, not for ourselves. Then we started, he is doing this, he is bad, she is bad, she is like this, she is like that, he is like this, he is like that. We are busy to talk about others' badness. Sometimes you talk in front of that person, or many times you in the back of that people, yeah? Not in front of that people. You will talk because you feel free. You feel free, and just no obstacle to talk about the bad of others. You like that. We like that. That is our weakness. Be careful with this weakness, talking bad about others. If you talk bad about others in front of that person, this is very good. Why I said good? Because it will help that people, that person, to edit themselves. Like you need a mirror, yeah, to see yourself. You cannot see yourself when you have you have mirror in front of you, you can see yourself. When you make others as a mirror, you can edit yourself better. And also, why I said good, because many times, I think it's more than 90%, 95%. What we think bad about people, we judge people. We only have in our mind. In the reality, it's not like that. We just misunderstand others. So then you talk about this, yes, with yourself, with others, it will break your friendship. So if you have this habit to see the badness of others, to weakness of others, go to that person, especially that if that person is your good friend, yeah, you help your person, not talking bad, not about that person or about your friend. You help, come in front of that friend, talk about this, discuss about this. So many misunderstanding you will see there. You have only dirty thing in your mind. You will talk about this. So this is weakness, natural weakness of all human beings. Be careful with this, especially with your friend, with your father, with your mother, with your sister, with your brother. Be careful with this. Yes, the best is go, come and meet your friend, your children, your father, your mother, talk openly. Yes. So do not become a saksi, a witness for others. Be a witness for yourself. This I mean, yes. And let's see one more. Atmaivo hyatmadapana. Indeed, you are a friend of yourself. Atmaivo hyatmana ripu. Ripu atmana. You are the enemy of yourself. And you are the witness of your good karmas and not good karma. Good, thank you. Jadi kawan-kawan, kita melihat ini sebuah sloka manis, cantik, menarik.